Hi, welcome to Class 13. Paragraph and essay structure, lesson objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the structure of a clear, effective paragraph, identify and apply the correct components of an essay, introduction, body, conclusion, use linking words to connect ideas logically, edit written work for clarity and cohesion, write a complete personal development essay with structure and flow. Section 1, Understanding Paragraph Structure. What is a paragraph? A paragraph is a group of related sentences that support a single main idea. Elements of a strong paragraph. Topic sentence states the main idea of the paragraph. Example: effective communication is a key skill in professional success. Supporting sentences. Explain or give examples to expand the topic sentence. Example: it allows individuals to express ideas clearly and build relationships. Concluding sentence summarizes or reinforces the paragraph's main idea. Example: therefore, developing communication skills should be a priority. Paragraph building activity. Task: rearrange the following sentences into a well-structured paragraph. These traits help in both personal and professional environments. Confidence and clarity are two essential components of communication. For example, speaking with confidence can inspire trust in your message. Therefore, mastering these elements is important for success. Section 2. Essay structure. The three-part formula. An essay is a piece of writing where you express an opinion, present an argument, or reflect on a topic. The three key parts of an essay section. Purpose: questions to answer. Introduction grabs attention, introduces topic. What will I talk about? Why is it important? Body develops ideas with facts. Do you use examples? What are my main points? What examples support them? Conclusion summarizes, reinforces message. What's the final takeaway? What should the reader remember? Example: essay outline. Topic: the importance of self-development. Introduction. Hook: a famous quote or short personal story. Topic statement: self-development helps people unlock their full potential. Preview: this essay will explore its benefits and suggest practical tips. Body paragraph 1. Mental growth topic. Sentence: self-development strengthens mental resilience. Supporting: overcoming fear, building mindset. Example: reading self-help books, facing challenges. Body paragraph 2. Career opportunities. Topic sentence: it improves professional capacity. Supporting: learning new skills. Better communication. Example: taking online courses, getting promoted. Conclusion summary: mental and professional growth are connected. Final thought: self-development is a lifelong journey worth investing in. Section 3. Linking ideas logically. Why use linking words? Linking words guide the reader and improve flow. Purpose linking words add information. Moreover, furthermore, in addition, show contrast. However, on the other hand, nevertheless, give examples, for example. For instance, such as show result. Therefore, as a result, consequently sequence first, next, then finally practice. Linking sentences task. Use linking words to connect these ideas. Self-discipline improves time management. It also boosts self-confidence. Many successful people credit discipline for their growth. Therefore, it is a foundational life skill. Section 4. Editing for clarity, common essay problems. Problem fix, repetition. Use synonyms or rephrase ideas. Wordiness, remove unnecessary words. Off-topic ideas. Stay focused on the paragraph's main idea. Unclear structure, use headings and clear topic sentences. Editing checklist. Each paragraph has a clear topic sentence. There are transitions between paragraphs. Supporting examples are specific and relevant. Grammar and punctuation are correct. Conclusion clearly summarizes the essay. Section 5. Write your essay prompt. How has self-development shaped who I am today? Use the three-part essay structure: introduction, body, conclusion. Minimum 300 words. Essay writing template. Introduction: open with a quote, question, or experience. Brief background of your self-development journey. Thesis statement: what this essay will explore. Body paragraph 1: describe one area of self-growth, how it changed your thinking or behavior. Real-life example: body paragraph 2: impact on your work, school, or relationships. New habits or challenges overcome. Real-life result, conclusion: reflect on how far you've come. Emphasize that self-development is ongoing. End with encouragement or a final thought. Section 6: peer review session, optional. Exchange essays with a classmate or partner. Give feedback on structure and flow, clarity of main points, grammar and linking words, emotional or persuasive impact. Homework: revise and polish your essay. Make edits based on peer or teacher feedback. Practice linking words. Write a list of 10 linking words and use each in a new sentence. Paragraph journal. Every day this week, write one paragraph on a topic of your choice. Focus on structure, topic, sentence, support, conclusion. Summary: what you learned, skill application. Paragraph structure builds logical flow and clarity. Essay structure makes writing persuasive and organized, linking ideas. Helps connect thoughts naturally. Editing improves the overall impact of your message. Writing is thinking on paper. The more clearly you write, the more clearly you think. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.